Okay, today is the chill day. Chill, 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 chill. Yes, Papa. Chill day. Yeah. Huh? Can't wait till the air conditioner comes. I have the window fan in. I've got the fan. Everything's blowing. But what I wanted to show you guys is that today I am going to move this crib, which means I have to take it apart, okay, and move it in here. I'm moving it in here because everyone is sleeping in my room. So the point of Loyal having a bed is to sleep in it, and he'll feel better if his brother or someone, is in here, and hopefully that will help. So that's what I'm doing today. Well, I mean, life. Have a good day, everybody. Okay, bye.